Exploring the emergence of SpaceX's Starbase, Tale of the Ascending Twin Towers. As the sun rises, two giants emerge on the horizon, SpaceX's Starbase, the epitome of human ambition and innovation. The Starship and Super Heavy, colloquially known as the Two Towers, stand tall, symbols of our insatiable thirst for exploration. Constructed to ferry humans to Mars, these towers represent a leap towards the goal of creating a multiplanetary species. Amidst the Texan plains, a ceaseless symphony of construction echoes, a testament to relentless pursuit and commitment. Each rivet, each bolt, each weld contributes to a dream. A dream that will change the course of humanity. Beneath the stars, they stand, not as monoliths of metal, but as beacons lighting the path to the cosmos. As the sun sets, the two towers loom in the twilight, the promise of a new dawn in space exploration.